Alright, so are we good to go? Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start trading on Bybit without you using your own real money. You heard me right, without you using your own real money. And the beautiful part of this Bybit demo account is that it allows you to practice on how to trade without you have to risk your real money in real time, and also allow you to get familiar on how to trade on any exchange, how to set your stop loss, take profit targets and the rest without you have to risk your real money while you are still learning on how to trade. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create your own Bybit paper trading account, which is also known as demo account, to be able to place trade without you have to risk your own real money. I'm going to show you some of the basic things that you need to understand while using the Bybit paper trading account to take trade. I'm going to show you how to use the Bybit paper trading account to gain required trading experience that you need before you switch to the live trading account. I'm going to show you the system to use to be able to learn proper risk management when you switch to the live trading account. I'm going to show you the strategies that you can start using to take trade now to improve your overall trading skills to grow any trading account, including this demo account. And also I'm going to be showing you how to easily switch from the demo account into the live trading account when you are comfortable and fully prepared to trade in real time. So if all that sounds so interesting to you and that's your goal, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more trading and investment strategies just like this. And check me out on Instagram and strictly on Telegram, where I give free trading signal to my community. This is an amazing community we are building on the Telegram. So link down in the video description below if you want to be part of this great community. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Alright, so the first step to take to be able to access this Bybit demo account for yourself is that you need a working Bybit trading account, which we are going to be creating together in just a moment. So head down to this video description below. I provide you with a link that you can easily use to create a working Bybit trading account that will allow you to access this Bybit demo account when you sign up using the link. So let's create this account together. So when you go down to this video description, you want to see this link right here that says create a Bybit account here. So you want to click on this link right here and it's going to direct you right here. Alright, so you want to click on sign up now. So you want to put your email right here. So I'm going to be using this email and I'm going to be putting a password. I put a password right here that you're going to be using to sign into your Bybit account that will allow you to access this demo account. So after you put the password and email you want to be using to sign in, all you have to do is to click on create account. So you want to drag this puzzle into this box right here perfectly to approve. Alright, so as you can see, they've sent an email to this your email that you used to sign up into this account. So all you have to do is to go to your email. So alright, as you can see, they've sent the code to this email. So you want to click on it and copy this code right here. And head back to the website and paste. So alright, you want to come down right here and claim your $20 welcome bonus. So you want to click on claim. As you can see right here, the claiming is in process. So all you can do is just to click on done and be expecting that. And for those of you guys that are on smartphone, let me show you how you can also do that. Alright, for most of you guys on smartphone, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own working Bybit trading account that will allow you to access this demo account. So let me show you how to do that now. So this link is in the video description like I said. So you want to click on it. So after you click on it, it's going to bring it right here. Scroll to the very bottom right here that says sign up right here and click on the sign up. So you want to put the email and password that you want to be using to access this account. So I'm going to be putting this email, and after that I'm going to be clicking on get my welcome gift. So as we did before on desktop, I'm going to be going to the email and copy the link and I'm going to be pasting it right here. It's just exact same way. So that's how to create the account on a mobile phone. Alright, so now we have created the working Bybit trading account. So you can now access the demo account, which I'm going to be showing you how to do that in just a moment. So all you have to do is to come to derivative and scroll down to this place that says demo trading account. Click on it and it will direct you to the demo trading account, which I'm going to be showing you how to do the setup properly. So as you can see, you have a welcome to your demo account where Bybit actually give you like 100,000 worth of bonus for you to start trading on your demo account. This is free. You can use it to trade on your demo account, especially for those of you guys that are new to crypto that want to learn how to place trade. So you can be using this paper money to learn stuffs. So all you have to do is just to click on start now. So as you can see, we have this little orientation, this 1, 2, 3 that you need to read through to be able to understand how to use this unified trading account with your demo account. So you are not going to be blowing up the free paper money that is being given to you. So I'm going to be clicking on next to read through everything how it works. So after that, you're going to be clicking on trade now, and this is your demo account. This is your live demo trading account with 100,000 worth of paper money that you can be used to place trade. So for those of you guys that are on smartphone, it's very easy. So I'm going to be showing you guys also right now. All right, for those of you guys on smartphone as well, you want to log into the working Bybit trading account that we just created earlier. So after logging in, this is how it's going to be looking. All you have to do is just scroll down right here and click on more, and you want to see the demo account right here, this square rectangle overlapping. You want to click on it, and it's going to be allowing you to trade on your demo account. So as you can see, we are now on the demo account. So when you scroll down right here, and you're gonna be seeing close to 130,490 USDT, which is paper money that you can be using to just practice. This is huge, guy. I've not seen any trading exchange platform doing this. Bybit, kudos to you guys. I really appreciate you guys for supporting the trading community. So this way you can learn how to place trades, stop loss, and taking profit and all of the rest before you can switch to the live trading account using your own real money. This is amazing. So this is how the platform look, and I'm going to be walking you guys through how to use this trading account so that you can be able to have required experience in trading before you switch into the live trading account. And if you have been gaining value out of this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button. All right guys, so as you can see, this is the demo account we just created, and when you scroll down right here, you're gonna be seeing the fund that you have, which is a paper money that you can be using to take trade in practice. So as you can see right here, I'm going to be showing you everything that you need to understand on this platform, how to use them to take your trade. What we want to do now is to make this interface more user friendly. So I'm going to be showing you what to do. So we want to come down to this and click on this to make this chart wider, and you can click OK right here on the description. So you can come down right here and just exit this also and hit on OK. So right now I'm going to be showing you everything on this platform. So this is our candlestick right here, as you can see. And when you come down right here, this is where you change the assets you want to use to practice. So when you click on this right here, it allows you to choose many crypto pairs that you can trade. As you can see, we have USDT contracts, we have a lot of them right here that you can choose to trade on. And if you want to add them to your favorite, all you have to do is to click on this and go to this back and hit on that star button at the back of the asset. As you can see, I'm adding BTC as my favorite cryptocurrency that I used to trade, Coin. And if you scroll down also, you can see many of them. I usually trade CFX also. You can also search it right here, the crypto pair that you want to trade, CFS. As you can see, this is it right here. I'm going to click in on it. I can add it to my favorite also. You can click the star at the back, so that will add it to the favorite. So to see all these assets that you've added to the favorite section, all you have to do is to come down right here and hit on the favorite right here. Click on it and it will bring you right here. As you can see, these are all the assets I have just added. If you want to add more, you can just go back to all, or you can choose USDT perpetual, which is a derivative, and add more. So let me go to the next tool that is very important. As you can see, these are the time frame. For those of you guys that are taking my signal in the Telegram group, if you haven't joined, link down in the video description where you can join to be part of the community where you'll be taking free trading signal to make real money even when you are still learning in the trading aspect. And for those of you guys in my Telegram group, this is how you can switch in between time frame. If I give you a signal that I tell you to actually look the chart on this 5-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame, or 15 minutes, or 4 hours, or a daily, this is how you switch in between. And if you want to add indicator, this is the place where you add the indicator. As you can see, we have many indicators. So for example, let's say you want to add VWAP, you're just gonna click on the search and click on VWAP. I'm gonna be clicking on it and it's gonna be adding it to your chart instantly. So that's it, guys. So now, as you can see, we have all of this, which can cause a distraction. It's very easy to remove all of this. This one right here is a quick navigation to just buy or sell on the chart, but I don't like seeing this. You can move it around to wherever you want, or if you want to remove it, all you have to do is to come down to this station right here and click on quick trading feature. You want to off it and it's gone. And as you can see, all of these OHCL, you want to remove them because of distraction. So you want to right click and you want to come to this OHC value, you want to off it. As you can see, I've off that. So you can delete this as well, you don't need that. And the VWAP, if you want to off the VWAP, you can click on this eye. That's it, guys, to set this up. So now, as you can see, we've added that. So if you want to change your candlesticks, which I usually do most of the time when I want to like get a point of interest, so I'm going to be clicking on this. You can change your graph to line, as you can see, and you can change it back to your candlestick. So that's how you set that. So as you can see right here, you have a line, you have a trend line where if you want to draw your trend line, you can just pick that, and you have your Fibonacci extension also, which I usually use most of time, so you can use that. And we have so many. If you have tests, if you want to write a test, you can just write your test right there. You can, as you can see, you can write your test. It's just exact same as your trading view platform, but this is very easy for you to use your exchange platform to be trading and also do your analysis if that is what you are going for. So as you can see, we have so many tools right here that you can play around with. The most important aspect that you need to understand is this session right here, all this session in this your right hand side. This is where you'll be taking trade, and I'm going to be explaining everything for you guys one after the other. So when you come to this up right here, this is where you switch your leverage. If you want to use 25 leverage or 30 leverage or 40 leverage, it depends on the assets you choose. As you can see, ZIL against USDT only allow you to use 25x leverage, but for some assets, let's change it from ZILA to CFX, which is the one we mostly trade in the Telegram group. So let's change it to CFS. So as you can see, we've changed it to CFS. When you come down to your leverage now, as you can see, we can able to dial in to 50x leverage. As you can see, that's amazing. You need to understand that also. And also we have limit order, we have market order, and we have conditional order. And for some of you guys that are on my Telegram group, we use market order to place the signal trade, which is quick execution, which I'm going to be explaining everything for you guys when we are about to take trade with this demo account now. So as you can see, we have the trigger price, we have order, we have so many ways. It depends on the order you choose. As you can see, market order, and also we have buy, sell, and we have take profit and stop loss where you set that. So right here is where you add more fund to your demo account, but you need to exhaust this USDT that is being given to you as your initial paper money. You have to exhaust it before you could request for new one. So that's how this works. So now let's go straight to how to take trade with this demo account without using your own real money, but the paper money that is being deposited into this account. So I'm going to be walking you through step by step to know how to take trade, which will allow you to gain required trading experience you need before you switch into the live trading account. And also I'm going to be showing you how you can switch from this demo account into your live trading account on Bybit without have to create a new account. So let me show you how to take trade with this paper money on the demo account. But before I start showing you how to take trade on that demo account, which will help you to gain required experience you need before you start using the live trading account, so pay close attention to this part of this video. It's very necessary. So before we start taking trade on any exchange, we need to understand what is called risk management and how to control risk management in trading, so we can end up in making more profits along the side. Even if we have lost trade along the line, we can still end up in huge profits if the risks are properly managed. So once we are able to use proper risk management system in our trading consistently, then the sky is going to be our limit when it comes to profit making in trading. So managing risk all boils down to how much are you willing to lose per trade, which is very important for you to quantify the amount that you are willing to lose per trade, that when the trade goes against you, you are comfortable in losing that certain amount of money. So you need to define the amount that you are willing to lose per trade, which I'm going to be showing you how to calculate it before you even enter into the trade, because this will help you. As long as you are quantifying your entry and exit, it will allow you to stay long in the market and have high probability of hitting the huge profit. So I'm going to be showing you how to define that entry point on how much you are willing to lose per trade, which you guys need to pay close attention to everything I'm about to share with you right now on how to take trade on your demo account to gain required experience when you go back to the live trading account, so that you won't blow up that your live trading account. You need to pay close attention to this. I want to show you how to define the amount you are willing to lose per trade, so that you can be able to stay consistent on that dollar amount that you are willing to lose per trade. And when you make more profits, you can start scaling it up. But when you just started, you need to stick to that percentage so that you can be able to quantify your entry and exit. So let me show you how to define how much you are willing to lose per trade and what quantity of position you can control without your risk percentage. So for instance, I have a total of 130,000 USD sitting down in this my demo account, but I need to define the amount of money I'm willing to lose per trade in this trading account. So let me show you how you can figure this out. So you need to pay attention to this. So let's say we are trading Solana against USDT. and this is our entry point, and this is our stop loss right here. As you can see, if the trade actually come down to this, we are going to be making profit, but if it goes against us, we are going to be losing. But we need to define all of this right here. We don't just want to start placing trade randomly. So that is why I need to explain this for you guys, so you can understand how this works. So for instance, let's say I want to be risking 1% per trade from my total trading account, which is 1,130,000 USD, in which 1% of this total amount is 1,300 USD. So to get the amount of coin I will need to buy or sell to be able to risk this 1% of this my total trading account, we need to do some simple math. All we have to do is to divide our entry and our stop loss. Right, as you can see, this entry price right here is 2.112 and this is 2.254, right? So this is our entry point and our stop loss right here. So what we want to do with these two is to subtract these two, which is our entry price and our stop loss, and divide it by the risk dollar amount which we want to risk per our total trading account, which is this 1%, and the 1% of this our total trading account is 1,300 USD, as you can see. So we're going to be dividing this amount we are willing to lose per trade of our total trading account by the difference between these two price right here, which is our entry price and our stop loss. So when we divide it, so if we do the math correctly, we're going to be having 9,155 Solana coin. So this is the quantity of order you need to be able to risk that 1% per trade from your total trading account balance. So you can pause this video and screenshot it, because this is very important for you to be able to divine your entry, because this will allow you to not just be placing order anyhow. It will allow you to understand what you are doing before placing trade. So now this is how to get the quantity of order that is going to be correlating with the amount that you are willing to lose per trade. So to get the amount required to be able to control this large position size of 9,155 Solana coins, we need to multiply the quantity by the entry price. This is our entry price right here, as you can see. So if you do the math correctly, we have 202,433 USD, which is the amount required to open this position. But if you take a look of the total amount we have on our account, is not up to this 202,433 USD. So that is where leverage comes to help. So now let me explain to you what is leverage and what is leverage is actually doing for you when you open a trade order on any exchange. So I know most of you guys are trading on your smartphone, so I'm going to be explaining this using the smartphone, but it's the exact same thing on your desktop as well. So I'm going to be explaining this on mobile phone so that you guys can really understand. I'm going to be using that to take trade so that you can understand how to take trade with your demo account, which will allow you to gain required experience needed before you switch to the live account. This will help you to really save your capital. Alright, so when we put our entry price right here, which is 22.112, as you can see, we've defined that right here, and we have our quantity which we have also defined, which is 9,155 Solana. As you can see right here, this is the amount we need to open this order. But when we look at this, our available balance, we only have 130,495, which means we cannot open this order. As you can see, this is 199,000, so we cannot open this order with this certain amount, with this our account balance. So that's where leverage comes to play. Leverage allows us to open a large position of order without affecting our risk profile. So let me explain that to you in a moment. So right now, as you can see, the amount have changed because it's volatile. So right now, as you can see, this will cost us 200,000, and from our previous calculation, it will cost us 222,433. So as you can see, this is actually perfect. The calculation is actually perfect. But right now, we don't have this amount in place. We only have 133,492 USDT in our account balance. So how can we open this order? That is where leverage will help us. So as you can see, when we come down to this cross right here, and we want to be using let's say we want to be using 50x leverage. All right, so we want to click on save. Look at what happened right now. So as you can see, the cost that this is going to be costing us for us to open this large amount using 50x leverage, this will only cost us 4,233 USDT for us to be able to open this order. So one thing you need to pay close attention to is that leverage allows us to open a large order without affecting our risk profile. Our risk profile here is 1% per trade, which is 1,300 USD. So leverage does not affect that. So we are still risking that 1% per trade, but using leverage, it has allowed us to open this large order with just 4,227,000 instead of us to pay 222,433 433. That is the most amazing thing when you are using leverage. It allows you to open a large order without affecting your account balance risk profile. So if you are risking 1% per trade, it still remain 1% per trade. But the dangerous aspect of you using leverage is that it's going to be significantly increase the rate at which you are going to be losing the money if the trade is going against you, and also increase your profit when the trade is also in your favor. That is why you always say that if you are a beginner, you shouldn't use high leverage or don't trade future trading at all. So this is what leverage do. It allows you to open a large order with a minimum fee, but significantly increase the rate at which you are going to be losing that money if the trade is going against you. So this is how you define your entry and exit and define the amount that you are willing to lose per trade. If this is very complicated for you, you can just pause this video and rewatch it over and over till you understand before you start placing trade. This will really help you a lot. So I'm going to be using this demo account to place trade right now, so that you guys can understand how to use it. So let me show you how to take trade. So right now, as you can see, we have the limit order, which we just explained right now. But if we are to use this market order right here, what this means is that it's going to be buying Solana. It's going to be buying Solana right here. If you use this market order, you can switch in between these two. The difference between these two is that the limit order will only allow you to position your order when the price has not reached that level. So now let's use the market order so you can understand. So now the market order, for those of you guys that are in my Telegram group, this is how you can take order, because we use market order so that we can execute the trade instantly and start making profit. So if you have not joined the Telegram group, I put the link down in the video description. This is where we are building amazing trading community, where I give trading signal to my community so we can bang huge profit. So if you are interested, you can join, link down in the video description. So now I'm going to be putting the quantity which we have already calculated down inside this, which is our quantity. So I'm going to be putting 1155 Solana coin. This is the quantity of Solana that 1% of my total trading account can buy. So this is amazing to track your progress, so that you'll not be placing trade randomly and losing money anyhow. So you need to quantify your entry, which is the amount you are willing to lose per trade. So as you can see, this is 1% of my total account. If this trade go against me, I'm going to be losing 1% of this total account, which is 1,300 USD. So as you can see, I'm going to be clicking on short. So I want to put on trade. As you can see, we are already in position right here. As you can see, this is gonna be speeding. Like I told you guys, I'm using 50x leverage. So the rate at which I'm gonna be losing that 1% per trade is gonna be speeding up, as you can see right here. And if the trade is also going in my favor, the rate at which I'm gonna be making profit is gonna be increasing as well. So this is what you need to understand to be a professional trader. So these are things you need to pay close attention to when you want to start trading. So once you master all of this and trade with your winning strategies, I'm sure the sky is your limit when it comes to making profits in the market. Once you are able to quantify how much you are willing to lose per trade and be able to set your risk to reward properly, so even if you lose trade along the line, your winning trade will surpass your losses, whereby you still end up making huge profit. So as you can see, we are already in losses, and the speed at which I'm going to be losing 1% is going to be significantly increased if this trade is going against me or in my favor. So if it's going against me, I'm going to be losing the 1% of this total trading account that is inside my demo account. So as you can see, I have 124,906, right? So that I've removed 1% out of this to trade, which is 1,300. Hope you guys get this calculation. So you need to watch this video over and over and save it. So if you want to know how to like check your profit, you can come to this all and you want to click on this, and you're going to be seeing if you are losing or you are gaining right here. So but for the sake of this tutorial, I only place this order randomly. I'm not using my strategies. So make sure you do your technical analysis and fundamental analysis correctly before you place trade, especially when you are using leverage. It's super risky. Make sure you know what you are doing. But for the sake of this tutorial, I need to place order so you can understand what we are actually doing. So once you have mastered all of this step on how to take trade on this your demo account, I'm sure you will be confident to take trade on the live account. So I'm going to be showing you now how to switch to your live trading account and start trading with real money. But make sure you stick to this demo account first, rehearse over and over again to understand how to take trade. And for those of you guys that are in my Telegram group where I share signal, all you have to do is just to start clicking button right here. As you can see, just improve the quantity of the coin needed to risk the amount that you are willing to risk per trade. Then use the market order, because in the signal group I only use market order so that everybody can come in at any time. So that's why we choose market order. We don't use limit order for now. All you have to do is just to input the quantity, which is equivalent to the amount that you are willing to lose per that trade. So now let's talk about how to set the stop loss. So to set the stop loss, there are in two ways. You can actually use it right here before you position the order. You can just click right here before you position the order and set your stop loss, or after the order has been positioned. As you can see, the order is in position already right now. So all I'm going to be doing is just to click on these tools right here that says stop loss, and I'm going to be putting my stop loss. So let me just put my stop loss to around if the price goes to 23, let me say 23 USD Solana, and it's going to be showing you the amount that you are expected to lose, which is, as you can see, 11,000. That is crazy, right? So let's place another trade right now so you can understand what we are doing. So instead of you using the quantity like 9155 to like enter the trade, which might look confusing for some people, Bybit has even make it more easier for you to just come down right here and change it to what? And change it to USDT, which is order in by value. As you can see, you want to click on confirm, and as you can see right now, it's not telling you that in USDT, which is the same thing as in dollar. So right now I can input the dollar amount that I'm willing to lose per trade. So since I figured that out earlier, so I'm going to be putting it, which is 1,300 USD. In USDT is still the same thing. 1 USD is the same thing as $1. So all I'm going to be doing is just to click on buy, and the order will be what? Executed. As you can see, the order has been executed, and when you come down right here, you're gonna be seeing the order right here. As you can see, this is the position right here, and we are already in profit. So to set the stop loss, all you have to do right now is you want to come down to your chart, whether you're on TradingView or wherever platform you are charting from. So you want to define your stop loss. So if you want me to make extensive tutorial about this, make sure to drop a comment down below so I can make tutorial about that for you guys. So I can just say, okay, let me say my stop loss around this, which is 21.52. All I have to do is just to come back right here again and go to this spot right here and set it, which is 21.57, and I'm gonna be losing. Look at what amount I'm gonna be losing, which is 18.4733 USD. If the price actually go back to that price, I'm gonna be losing this total amount. So all you have to do is to click on yes and click on confirm. So to see that, you want to come down to order. As you can see, this is your order right here. As you can see, this is your stop loss. So if you want to set your TP1, TP2, this is how to set your TP1 and TP2. So you want to come down to this aspect right here, which says close by. You want to click on the close by, and you want to come to limit order, because you don't want to keep watching the trade every time often. So you want to set your TP1, TP2. When the price actually gets to that certain point you set, it will automatically lock profit for you without you have to execute the order. So right now, as you can see, I might say, okay, I want to take profit when Solana gets to let's say 22.00, and you can determine 50% that you want 50% of that position, which is 50% profit. So you want to click on post only. You want to make sure you are using post only so that you'll not be paying for high fee, because Bybit actually pay for putting liquidity in the market. So you want to click on confirm. So now you've set the TP1. So now how do you set the TP2? You want to click on this again, and you want to come to limit order again, and you want to set another price. Let me just use this for an instance. Let's say when Solana reach 24.00 for instance. So you want to say, okay, 100%. So you want to be out of that position totally. But if you have TP1, TP2, you just play maybe 75 of the total percent and put it on what? Post only, and hit confirm. So if you have TP3, you're still going to be doing the same thing, but for this, let me just stop it there. So as you can see right now, your order now, if you want to see, you can come down right here. This is where the order is. All you have to do is just go and play with your friend. This will automatically execute everything once you position them in the right order. And I hope you guys have gained a lot from this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. So if you want to switch to the live trading account after you are familiar and comfortable in using this demo account, you can just come down to this right here, this top right hand side, and click start live trading account, and this will switch from the demo account to the live trading account, where you'll be using your real money to place trade and making profit. But for those of you guys that are in my Telegram group, you are going to be using the real trading account to place trade, because we want to make real money, not the paper money. So all you have to do is just to come to your derivative. Now we are in the live trading account. As you can see on this new account is 000. We don't have any fund in this account. We only have fun in our demo account to practice with. So hope you guys gain value out of this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. And if you want to join my Telegram group, it's completely free. You can check the link down in the video description to join and start taking trade even while you are still learning and making money along the side. So guys, that's it for me guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and bye for now.